Example 2. A cone is resting on HP with its base and axis is parallel to VP. The diameter of base is 30 mm and axis is 65 mm long. It is cut by a blade which is perpendicular to HP and inclined at 60 degree to VP. Draw the projections of the remaining cone if the cutting plane is 10 mm away from the axis. So here again, first the solid is given with respect to HP and VP. It is mentioned that it is resting on the HP with its base. So the cone is resting on the HP with its base and the axis is parallel to VP. So this is simple. As the cone will rest on HP, its top view will be a circle and its front view will be a triangle, as we have seen in the last problem also. The diameter is 30 mm and the axis height is 65 mm long. Now here the question is, it is cut by a blade which is perpendicular to HP. So the in the earlier problem, the blade, the cutting plane, that is the section plane, was parallel to HP. Here it is perpendicular to HP, and also it is mentioned that the section plane is inclined at 60 degree to VP. So from here to here the instructions are given about the section plane, and also its distance is given here in the last line, that if the cutting plane is 10 mm away from the axis. So this cutting plane will be visible from the top because this is perpendicular to HP. So assume that the blade is vertical, vertically cutting the cone at an inclination of 60 degree. So we will see now how to imagine this first. Now you see that there is a section plane which is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. As you can see, the plane is somewhat tilted, cutting plane is somewhat tilted, and you can see when I am cutting this, you can see some slant portion, and it is very clear from the top view that this is going to be at some angle with respect to VP. I have not measured the angle correctly, that means exactly. We will take the exact angle while drawing in the sheet, but for now you see that when the cutting plane is perpendicular to HP and it is inclined to VP, its position will be something like this on your screen right now. See, the cutting plane's line is inclined to VP and perpendicular to HP. And if I can take this line on the other side of this circle from the top view, both ways this is going to be correct. But here I'm showing from this side, you can cut on the other side also. And now we will see, this is going to be its front view, this is going to be its front view and top view, and we can cut from other side. What I will do is I will draw this figure by cutting from the other side, and then we will see the difference between them. So now we will see how to draw this in the drawing sheet. And now, as we did in projection of solids, when the cone is directly resting on the HP, in the top view there will be a simply circle and there will be a triangle in the front view. First we will draw the circle and triangle. Now for the sectioning part, it is mentioned that the cutting plane is at 10 mm away from the axis and it is inclined at 60 degree to the VP. That means the angle is given with respect to the vertical plane. So we have seen that it will cut the top view first. For that reason, I am just taking 10 mm distance from this axis and I am marking one point here. This indicates that we are going to cut from here Also we can take this point here, but we will not get the front view. That is why we are taking the side facing our the cones portion which is visible to us, which will be opposite to the vertical plane. So this is your vertical plane, and as the angle given is 60, so at this point I am just drawing one small line, and now I will take 60-degree angle. This is your section plane. At an angle 60-degree. This is x, and you can see that I have taken this 10 mm distance. And to get the front view, we will again divide this circle into equal number of parts first, then we will get generators, then afterwards we will get many points to draw the cut portion. For this reason I am taking the 2H pencil, and now I will draw this circle into 8 number of equal parts. That would be a little bit easy because the circle is very small. This is 45-degree. As we all know, if we divide the circle into 8 number of equal parts, we have to take the angle as 45-degree, because 360 by 8 is equal to 45-degree. Sorry, this is 45. This is coming aligned with this dimensioning line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will be a 1 dash, and this is 2 and 8, 2 dash and 8 dash, 3 dash and 7 dash. This is 4, 4 dash and 6 dash. This is 5 dash. So we can draw generators from here now. Now see that section plane is touching this corner here. So you will have one point here and touching this circle at this corner. So you will have one point here. So whatever the sectional front view will appear, the hatching lines will be in this portion only, within these 2 points. And for the other points, as you can see that the section line is touching this 6th line here. I will project this line above till it touches the 6th generator at here, and also it is touching the 5th line here. So I will have fifth point here, because this is 5 dash, this is fifth generator. So if you join this with smooth curve, you will get the portion which is in section. So to draw the section lines, I am setting the drafter to 45 degrees, and now I will draw the sectioning lines. This should be done with H pencil. This completes your sectional front view, and this is top view. This is the section plane, and as we have seen already that this portion is cut this is cut portion and it is will visible like this. So this is the solution of a cone when it is resting on horizontal plane with the section plane cutting it with some angle. As you can see here, I am cutting in this fashion, and you can cut in this fashion also. But in any case, it is going to be perpendicular to HP. Here, I have cut in this fashion, but I have drawn in such a way that I have taken the cutting section plane here. You can take section plane here also. As you can see here, the section plane is in this direction. So you will get the hatching portion in that case here. So please don't make mistake. In this scenario here, I am cutting from this side, but I have drawn by assuming that the section plane is passing this side. So either way, this problem is correct. You can cut from this side or this side, but it should satisfy two conditions, that it should be 60-degree, inclined at 60-degree, and it should be perpendicular to HP, which now you can see on your screen in this fashion or in this fashion. Both are correct.